How to transfer music from computer to iPhone. Let's get started. Please follow the procedure, step by step. You can pause the video whenever you need to. Here I have a music folder in my computer's desktop. Here you can see there are hundreds of songs in the folder. Now I am going to transfer them into my iPhone. First, we need iTunes to be downloaded in computer. You can download iTunes for free from Microsoft Store. Go to search bar, search for Microsoft Store. Open Microsoft Store. Then click on Apps. In the search bar, search for iTunes. Here you can see, I have already downloaded iTunes in my computer. If you have not downloaded iTunes, you can download iTunes from here, for free. You just need to have an Apple ID to download. Once you finish downloading, open iTunes. Once you open iTunes, it looks like this. Before moving forward, I would like to show you music library in my iPhone. Here you can see, my music library is empty. There are 0 songs in my library. Moving on, I am going to connect my iPhone to the computer. Once you connect your iPhone to the computer, you need to tap on Trust. Then, you need to enter your iPhone's passcode to trust this computer. So, you will able to transfer music from computer to iPhone. Once you done, you can see your iPhone connected to iTunes in your computer. Once connection is successful, you can see iPhone's icon in iTunes, exactly like this. Click on iPhone's icon, click on Music. Here you can see, there are 0 songs. Next up, I would like you to go to File, then, click on Add Files to Library. Select Desktop, then open your music folder. In my case, I am going to open my songs. Select all the songs by pressing Ctrl+A. Then, click on Open. It will take a bit of time to add files in iTunes. Here you can see, iTunes has sync 321 songs. Now, click on Sync. iTunes will take some time to sync music to iPhone. Please wait until iTunes finished syncing music to your iPhone. Now, iTunes has finished syncing all music into your iPhone. Please click on Done. Click on iPhone's icon, then, click on Music, in My Device section. Here you can see, all 321 songs, has been transferred to my iPhone. Now you can close the iTunes. Open Music in your iPhone, tap on Library. Tap on Songs. Here you go, all 321 songs, are now your iPhone's music library. You can listen them, anytime, anywhere. I hope you liked the video. Please consider subscribing my channel, Unique Bundle, for upcoming useful videos. Please, like, share, comment and give me some suggestions to improve my videos. Thanks for watching.